No!
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over.
Are you breadcrumbing yourself now?
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No!
You got a friend in me.
Come on, no.
Quit. Get away from me. We're not friends anymore. You gotta have a permit for that.
Ow, ow. Ow, ow. And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Good morning.
High five. Too slow.
Tô vendo pelo espelho. Tô vendo pelo...
Oh
No. No, no.
no. No. Are you done? No. Hello.
Andy, honey, we're just at the pharmacy.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Go ahead. It's slippery. Be careful, baby.
Who's a good boy?
Come here, Roxy. Come here. Roxy. Oh!
Hey, Sandy. Vente, Sandy.
You're one ugly little dog.
Think I like this little life.
Oh, it's a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh. Okay.
May I brush you? Inside.
Hey, Sandy.
Vente, Sandy. Bailey, are you sad? No.
What is it?
You don't. You.
What are you doing? Come! Listen, just bite it. Gentle.
It's okay, Alfred.
Back to creature watching.
Hand slapping.
Let's go. Damn.
He's right here next to me.
A little girl is coming. She's little. No, listen. Harry.
Just a look at that happy, the happy dog.